Hello, and welcome back to solving Project Euler problems with Scala. So the next problem that I want to look at is problem 22. And this is quite, it's not a very hard problem, but it's a little bit weird. So what we have to do, we have this file with a bunch of names in it, 5,000 first names. Begin by sorting it into alphabetical order, then work out the alphabetical value and multiply by its position to obtain a name score. So then this is the alphabetical value summed up. It has this position, multiply it, and it gives us a score, and then we total all those scores together, and then we get an answer. So the first thing that we need to do is read the file and sort it. So what we do is we read the file, and then we make it as a string. Let's have a look at this file. Oh, it's just a comma separated file. So we want to split it on commas. Let me get rid of this. Split on commas and trim it, and I also want to remove all. This is a string, right? Is an array of strings. So map string remove replace all. Yeah, this is a hard one. Replace all So this is a character, and we need to make it a string, and we replace it with nothing. So then I'm very curious to see what's in names. So we run it and see what comes out. Too many arguments for a map. Yes. Run it again. What do we get? Oh, make string with a /n. Let's see what we get. Yes, we get all the names. That's good. So now we need to get, of all those names, we need to get the values. So a very simple thing. I will do something like val sorted names is names dot sorted. Boom. So now if I print this one, then it should be in order. Yeah, that seems to be in order. Nice. So we need to then calculate we need to have this number. We currently do not have that number. So I'm going to zip with index and that is a function to give me also the index. So if I now do look at the type, now it actually is a tuple of that string and the number. So that's good. Okay, and now I want to calculate the alphabetical value. So I will do I will do the zipping later. I will map, and I will do I want to make it a list of values. Oh, this is a string. I need to do it per character. So for each character, what do we have in character? Yes, 2 digits. No, just treat it as an int, 2 int. Minus 48. Let me have a look at the ASCII table. So we convert it to ints, and then where are our capital letters? So 65 will be the number that we will get if we encounter an A. So I want to subtract 64 to get a 1 minus 64. Let me print this. Let me just print the first 10 ones. Let's see what this looks like. Make string. Just a space. So it's not working. Let me make this a map. Because for each does nothing to the original content. Okay, this seems nice. So this would be A something. So the first name was something like Aaron. Yes, Aaron. AAR. Yeah, that seems good. And this is the position. And I think they want the position to start with 1. Else it wouldn't make any sense to multiply, because yeah, then we won't count by 0. So now we need to sum these. So now here we have ints. So let me do ensuring. This is an int. But I want to let me make a function out of this. So this is our map. And we have ints. Yes, I want to sum this. I don't want to make a whole block. I want to sum these. Yep. So now we'll have sums of these. Let me just run it for you. Yes, and now I want to multiply that one times that one, but this last one needs to be +1. So how can we do that? We can do something like dot map t and t multiplied by t underscore 1 times t dot underscore 2 plus 1. So this t underscore 1 is the first element of the tuple, and t underscore 2 is the second element of the tuple. And I will take 10 and do the make string. So yes, so it will continue to increase. And then the final thing that we actually need to do is to sum the whole thing. And then it's no longer a list. The total of all the name scores. And this is also no longer necessary. And what do we get? We get this value. Let's see if that is correct. Indeed. Wrong code. Keeping the tension up. Final try. Is it correct or is it not? Yes, it's correct. Woohoo! Yo, so thank you for watching this problem, and until next time.